Namaste students. Today under this chapter of commercial mathematics we are going to start a new topic, that is discount and taxes. First of all, let's understand the meaning of the discount. What is a discount? It is a concession of money which a shopkeeper gives to attract the customer. Discount is basically the concession of money which is basically in the form of the percentage. Fine. Whereas tax means the extra money paid to shop. Now this tax is basically for the government. Whatever the we pay the tax, because of that we are having, these are the road, bridges, railway service and all whatsoever be. Now there are one more thing, that is a marked price. Marked price. What is marked price? As the name suggests, marked price is the price which is printed on any particular object. Price, or simple say that printed price. Printed price on object. Sometimes this is also known as the list price. List price. Now next is the net selling price. It's a net selling price. Net selling price is the basically the difference between the marked price and the, that is a difference between marked price and discount. It's discount. Fine. That will be the net selling price. Sometimes we also call it only selling price. Let's have a look few formulas by which we will able to solve the question. The very first thing is selling price. What is selling price? That is the MP, that is marked price minus discount. Now the second formula is discount percent. What is discount percent? Discount percent is the discount means whatever the amount by which we are getting the relief or the concession divided by MP, that is a mark price, multiplied by 100, that will get the value of the discount percent. Now next is the tax. If we talk about tax basically that government has fixed some percentage, depends upon the objects. Suppose on food articles it is suppose 8%. So on the luxury item it is 18%. Luxury item means your electronics, computer, then refrigerator, then AC or the car, whatever. So that depends upon the food items or the as kept by the government. So tax is equal to basically tax percent of marked price. Whatever be the marked price or the selling price, that depends upon that one. Generally it is on the selling price, so it's better that we write selling price. Now sometimes we have to find the discount also. See, this formula is the discount percent, and suppose we have to find the discount, that how much discount. Suppose we have got, a person said that you have got a 5% discount. Fine. So that will be the discount percent. Discount percent of MP. This is a tax on the selling price and the discount percent of MP. Whatever the mark price is there, we will get the concession of that particular amount. So that is that amount is known as the discount. Before starting with the example, I would like to tell you about the taxes. Earlier the government was having the VAT. That is a type of the tax. The full form of the VAT is the value added tax. This tax was taken by the state government and then the central government. Nowadays, this tax has been removed and now we have a GST. GST, the full form of the GST is Goods and Service Tax. It's again by the same by the state government also and then by the central government also. Now the very first example is a carpet is marked at rupees 7,700. Mark means what? That is a mark price. So that is MP. MP is equal to rupees 7,700. During a festival season, it was sold at a discount of 5%. Discount is given in the form of percent. So that is the discount percent is equal to 5%. And we have to find the price of the carpet after discount. I'll write here that is after discount. It means we have to find the selling price. First of all, let us find the discount, that how much discount the person has got. So for the formula, that is discount is equal to discount percent of MP. MP again that is a mark price. What is the discount percent? That is 5. 5%. 5% means 5 on, that is 100. Off means multiply and that is 7,700. So 2 zeros cancel with the 2 zeros. Now multiply. 5 sevens are 35. 3 carry. 5 sevens are 35 and 3 38. It means the person will get a discount of rupees 385. So now what is the selling price? Now selling price is equal to that mark price minus discount. Now what is mark price? That is rupees 7,700 minus discount is 385. So that will be get 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. There will become 6. 6 minus 3 is 3 and this is 7. So the selling price or the amount at that is the price after discount, that is rupees 7,315. The second example is after allowing a discount of 5% on all the articles, a shopkeeper is will able to manage a profit of the 15%. Now we have to find the mark price if the cost price of an article is given. The cost price of an article is given as a rupees 1,680. The solution says, first of all, given is a cost price. Cost price, that is rupees 1,680, and it's given that the profit percent is 15%. Now with the help of cost price and the profit percent, we are able to find the selling price. So formula for the selling price is equal to, that is 100 plus profit percent multiplied by cost price, that is CP upon 100. So this will become 100 plus 15 multiplied by 1680 upon 100. This will be 115 by 100 multiplied by 1680. Now 0 cancel with the 0. Now cancel with the 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. This becomes 23. Now cancel with the 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Now let us multiply. So this will become 1932. Now this is what is the selling price. Now they have given us a discount of 5%. The discount percent of 5. Now discount depends upon MP, that is mark price, whatever is printed. Now as MP we do not know or they have not given, let us consider MP. Let mark price be X. So therefore discount is equal to discount percent of mark price, that is 5% of mark price is X. So 5 ones are 520. So this So what is the discount? Discount is x by 20. Fine. Now, you remember the formula. I'm just marking a line here. I'll do right side. Now what we have? We have a selling price that is 1932. We have a mark price. We have assumed that is x. And we have a discount that is x by 20. And now what's the formula? Formula is selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. Now, what is mark price? What is selling price? That is 1932. And what is mark price? That is x minus discount, that is x by 20. X by 20. Now, let's take LCM on the right side. This becomes 21. That will be 20. This become 20x. This will become single. That is 20 ones are 1 into x, 1x. Whether you write 1x or x, same thing. And left side is 1932. So this will become 1932 is equal to 20x minus 1x will become 19x by 20. And to find the value of x, 20 will go and multiply with the 1932 and 19 will come in division. Now, when you solve this one, we have to divide 1932 by 19, and whatever the result will come, you multiply with the 20. Now, here please have a look. One easy step is we bifurcate 20 and we'll write it 2 into 10. So 1932 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 divided by 19. Now let's multiply 2. So this one 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 8 and 1 carry 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. Multiply by 10 upon 19. Now let's when you multiply with 10, what will happen? We have to add one more 0, nothing else. Fine. Now let's divide it by 19. Whether you divide first by 19 or you first multiply. So for me, easy is we multiply with the 10 and we divide with 19. Fine. When you divide, this will become, so the value of x will be, it's 19 2s are 38, then 0, then 19 3s are 57, 70, 19 3s are 57, and this will become 6 and then 8. Now, what is x? That is a mark price. What we have considered here, mark price, that is MP is equal to x. So whatever we have got, that is the x value of x, that is a mark price. So in term, if we round about in the x is, what is x? X is MP. I'm writing the answer here, otherwise what is x? That is MP. So what is mark price? Mark price is equal to rupees 2033.70 paisa. Now the next question is, an article was marked 40% above the cost price. Whatever be the amount he has paid, that is a cost price for the shopkeeper, he has increased the price by 40%, and a discount of 35% was given on mark price. After increasing the mark price by 40%, he has given a discount of 35%. So we have to find whether the shopkeeper is having a gain or loss percent. So for this, first of all, we have to increase its mark price. So for that, let CP that is cost price be x. Now how much is increased? 40%. So increased by that is 40%. That is 40% of whatever be the amount for which he had paid to buy that one. That is cost price. So that is 40% of x. It's 22s are 25s are. It means the amount is the mark price is increased by 2 by 5 of x. So that now that is a mark price. Now what is mark price? The cost, that is a whatever the amount he has paid plus by amount by which he has increased. So when you add this one, this will become 5x plus 2x, that will be 7x by 5. That is a mark price, that is 7x by 5. Now after marking the price of this amount, he is giving a discount of 35%. Now discount is, that is 35%. 35% of that is mark price. So that will be 35 upon 100. Now multiply by 7x by 5. Fine. After that, let's cancel here. This will become 5 ones are 5 sevens are. Now I'm writing on right hand side. So this will be discount. Discount is equal to 7 multiplied by 7. That will become 49x by 100. This is the discount. Now after giving a discount, what will be the price? So the selling price is, that is mark price minus ka discount. Now what is the mark price? Mark price is 7x by 5 minus discount. What is discount? That is 49x by 100. When we solve this, it will become 100. 5 will go for 20. 27s are 140. 140x minus 49 of x. So this will become 91 of 91x. That is the selling price. Now see, we have to find the gain or loss percent. What was the mark price? What was the cost price? That is a x, the amount for which he bought. Fine. Now what is the selling price? That is a 91 by 100 multiplied by x. Now as CP is greater than selling price, the person will have a loss. Now let's find the loss. Loss is equal to, that is a cost price minus selling price. So what is the cost price? That is x minus, that is will be a 91x by 100. I'll erase a little portion of this one's left hand side, then I'll solve the value of loss for you. So now from there, what is loss? That will be, if you again I'll write that last step, that is x minus 91x by 100. So if we take LCM, this will become 1 will divide by 1. When we divide 100 by 1, it will get 100. 100 multiplied by x is 100x minus 91x. On subtraction, this will become 9x by 100. Now we have to find in percent form. So therefore loss percent is equal to, it's loss upon CP multiplied by 100. What is loss? That is 9x by 100. What is the CP? CP was x. So upon x will come here and multiply by percent. For percent we are writing 100. Now 100 cancel with 100 and x cancel with the x. So this will become 9%. So what is the loss percent? That is 9%. Next question which I will do, that is based on one word, that is a successive discount. Fine. Let me tell you the meaning of the term successive discount. Successive discount. Successive discount means the person gives two discount. One discount is of the 40% and other is of the 10%. Fine. Please remember, if someone will say that shopkeeper is giving a successive discount of 40% and 10%, so this does not mean that 40% 10 plus 10% is equal to 50%. No. In case of discount, this thing is wrong. Fine. 40 plus 10% is equal to 50%. That is a totally different thing. And 40% and 10% discount, that is also two different. That is a different thing. Let me consider that mark price is of rupees 100. So first percent is 40%. So discount D1 is equal to 40% of mark price, that is 100. So it's a 40% of 100. So it means 40. It means the first discount given by a person on rupees 100 is rupees 40. Fine. So it means what is the cost? What is the selling price? Now the selling price is 100 minus 40, that is rupees 60, right? But the person will give second discount on this. First, after subtracting the first discount, whatever the amount is coming, the person will give a discount on that amount. Now, what is the second discount? Second discount is, that is 10%. 10% on what? Now, this is the on 60. So it means 10% on 60. 1 0 cancel with 1, 1 0 cancel with 1. That is a discount of rupees 6. So what is the selling price? Or I'll write net selling price is, that is 60 minus 6 is equal to rupees 54. Okay. So next net selling price is rupees 54. Now, if someone will say that 40 plus, someone will add 40 plus 10 is 50, so that is amount will come different. So this is the meaning of the successive discount. First, we have to subtract the first discount on the mark price. Whatever the value will come, we have to then subtract the discount on that particular amount. Whatever is come after subtracting, that will be the net selling price. The question on the successive discount. A trader offers two successive discount. One is 30% and then 10%. If the selling price of article is 108, now selling price of article is 108 means after giving both the discount on which then item is sale. So we have to find the mark price. So let mark price be X. So what will be the first discount? This first discount is, that is 30% of X. That will be 30 upon 100 multiplied by X. 1 0 cancel with the 1 0. This will become 3 by 10 of X. This is discount. Now, what will be the selling price now? Suppose the person gives only one discount. Now, what will be the selling price? That is mark price minus ka discount. So this will become X minus 3X by 10. So on solving, this will become 7X by 10. Now, selling price after first discount is 7X by 10. Now what will be the second discount? That is 10%. That is 10% of 7X divided by 10. So I'm writing here. So that is discount 2 is 10% of 7X by 10. This 10 cancel with this one. So this will become 7X by 100. Now this is second discount. But we have to give the discount. Second discount, it means we have to subtract. Therefore, net selling price is equal to whatever the selling price was the very first one, we will subtract the second discount. So this will become 7X by 10 minus 7X by 100. So this will become, when we divide 100 by 10, it will become go on 10. 10 into 7 will become 70X minus 7X. This will become 63X by 100. Now, what is 63X by 100? That is the net selling price. And what is the selling price given to us? That is 108. So we can say, according to question, 63x by 100 is equal to 108, or x is equal to 108. 100 will go up in a numerator, 63 will come in denominator. Now cancel with the 7. Cancel with the 9. 9 sevens are 63. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. This will become 1200 divided by 7. Now when we divide 1200 by 7, so this will become 7 ones are 7. 50, 7 sevens are 40, and 1 7 ones are 7, and this is 4 and then 8. So what is this? X. And what is X? That is mark price. So the mark price of an item is 171 rupees and 48 paisa. That is the answer.